I'm Andy Flick, and I'm an IMC student, and I live in Dublin, Ohio. I'm the Director of Midwest Promotion for RCA Records. I've been there for almost 21 years, and I'm responsible for securing airplay. So I work with our radio partners throughout the Midwest, and then I'm with the artists when they're on the road in my region, coordinating on-site activities, interviews, meet and greets, things like that. I've been really lucky over my career to work with some amazing artists. I've gotten to promote music from Bruce Springsteen and Bob Dylan to being there on the ground floor with artists like John Mayer and Destiny's Child. And then now at RCA I get to work with artists like Pink and Justin Timberlake and the Foo Fighters and Kings of Leon. So I'm really fortunate in that we've got such great artists to work with. I'm in a great place. IMC is really relevant because you don't really know where a consumer is going to come into contact with your brand. And in the case of the music business, our artists are our brand. So they might find the artist online, they might see them on TV. So wherever it is that they find the artist, you want that message to be consistent. And that's a big part of IMC, is making sure that you're delivering a consistent message no matter what channel someone discovers your brand through. A big advantage of the online program is the dialogue that you have with the other students in the discussion boards. It's almost like your own little social networking circle about the content in the courses. And I find that I learn more from the students in the class through our discussion posts than I do from the textbooks. And that's something that you don't get in a traditional classroom. It's something that's really unique to the online experience. The fact that the program is online is absolutely imperative for me. There's no way I could do it any other way. I travel several days a week, sometimes 3 days a week, and I've got 2 kids at home, so I work, I've got family. So the flexibility is that I can do my coursework really from anywhere. It could be a hotel room, it could be backstage at the show, it could be in my home office. There's always a way to access it, whether it be via my iPad or my laptop or whatever. So it's very flexible in that way. And it's also flexible from a time structure. There's not a class that I have to attend. So I'm able to complete my coursework without taking any time away from my family or my job.